Sometimes I wonder what would I even carry in my bag. I mean, I always have a bag, but is there something important in it that's not in a great condition to be used? What am I doing? What did I think I was going to find a snack? I have this habit of collecting visiting cards from shops. I love writing things down. There's a lot in this bag. Cinnamon. Today is 1st March. We're going to do a walk. I'm not practicing yoga today. I don't think so. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. I woke up at 2:30 and then I went back to sleep and then I woke up at 6:50, which is extremely late, honestly. 6:50. I woke up at 6:20, but still it is late. Too late to do anything. In what sense it's late? What I meant was that if I wake up at a certain hour, then it takes me how long? It takes me I have to drink a lot of water before I step out. So it takes time. We're gonna go on this trail now and walk. The light is from here, so pretty, but we're walking in that direction. If I walk in this direction, I don't want to walk in this direction. So, what's going to happen is that what happens usually is I wake up and then I drink water. Then I drink water with lemon and cloves and ghee, and then I drink I have this turmeric shot with pepper. So, drinking those many things takes time. And also I prefer waking up and then doing yoga when the sun is about to come up because I'm doing Surya Namaskars. Yes, bird. What bird is that? Oh, it's a parrot. I love parrots. Okay. I think I'm gonna walk for half an hour only today. It's Saturday, gotta chill. This is today's fit. I'm gonna zip up because gotta stay decent. I mean, it's not indecent what I'm wearing, but you all know what it is. The only thing with coming on a little later is then you have to interact with a lot of people because everyone's talking to you and you can't just be like, I can only do that with, I don't know, with no one. I wouldn't say I'm moody, but I mean, I like my peace sometimes. I just seem like an extremely friendly person, so everyone comes and starts talking to me. And I like interacting with people, but now I've just stopped and spoken to so many people. I've my walk. Okay, I'm gonna walk now. Yeah, it's not mangoes.
They are.
No, but what is it? It's very big. It's too big to be. It's not Imli.
No.
Kerry.
Sure.
See? Can't understand because they're against the light. It's greenish.
Yeah, it is greenish, but it's not harm at all.
No. Did I sit down and talk for 15 minutes instead of walking? Yes. That's exactly what happened. Talking about life. That has nothing to do with my life right now. But it's good to know things. What happens in life. I think I just prefer sitting outside. It's not even about walking. It's just about the birds and the rickshaws. I love parrots. Wait, I'll show you guys. Oh, parrots. My lace is already open twice today. Not even walked that much. Stretch. I forgot to carry my tripod when I needed it. Sometimes I wonder what would I even carry in my bag. I mean, I always have a bag, but is there something important in it? Some would argue not. Do you want to see what's in my bag? Let me show you guys. There's a spoon in my bag that's not in a great condition to be used. A wooden spoon. I don't know if it's wooden. There are 3 more spoons. What am I doing? What did I think I was going to find a snack? Earrings. I think I've been looking for these. There's one. Where's the other one? I have this habit of collecting visiting cards from shops. I think I need to stop. This is from. Where is this place? I really don't understand. Pondicherry, Goregaon Park, Gangari Marg, Pune. Okay. Oh my god, this is my Voto's ID. This picture is still cute, but I swear to god, my passport picture has come out cute this time. I mean, this is adorable. What is this paper? I'm sorry, I'm trying to look at what's in my bag myself. Neelam. Oh, this is just some stuff I've written. I love writing things down. There's a lot in this bag. Cinnamon, but it's broken. Tampons. A seashell. I'm honestly not using tampons anymore, but an emergency if anyone needs one. There is a bag, a big bag. There's a lip balm, lip tint, bucket, both through them. Really good. I think I've told you all about this. It's that SPF 30. Not an SPF fan really. Oh, this is really important. Safety pins. Always have safety pins in your bag because it just helps. If someone's for your outfit, for somebody else's outfit, lifesaver. I've got more shells. She sells seashells. I've got a earbud. I don't think this is very hygienic to carry it around like that. But sometimes you have stuff in your eyes after you do your makeup. There's my other earring. This is a pop-in. There's more shells. And there's literally a bag. What is this? Like, I don't understand. Oh, I know what this is. I saw this reel on Instagram that said that if you keep cloves, elaichi, and something else in your bag, it's for nazar basically. That's what's in my bag instead of a tripod or anything else. There's nothing else. Cinnamon. Yeah, this is why I don't have a tripod right now. Birds are saying such nice things. Why do I have so many spoons? I just don't understand. I mean, I think I could have a spoon. Requirement for a spoon sometime. Put everything back in. I think that's all for today's video. For this video, I've walked quite a bit. By a bit, I mean 5 minutes. That should suffice though. I should take some more videos, should I? Is this too short, the vlog? Can't do anything now. If it's too short, it's too short. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna say bye again. Because the first bye is never bye. Second bye is goodbye. And the third bye is a real bye. It's a good thing I have no inhibitions because people really look at you weird when you are talking to a phone. It is what it is. It's also what it isn't. Today is 1st March, I told you alright. Seems my stars are supposed to change, guys. My dhaiya was going on. So what happened was that I had my Sadi Sati was going on, which is 7.5 years of weird things that ended in 2020. Then my dhaiya started in 2022 and now it's finally ending. That's exciting, honestly. Line, I'm about to be unstoppable. Everything's going to change for the better. I'm so happy in all aspects of life. Can you imagine 2.5 years? I didn't even know this thing existed. Because according to my Hindu Rashi, I am a Scorpio, Vrikshik. That's how we are named, right? According to the letters picked. So I'm glad it's finally done. I hope you all are excited for me.